Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Apple ID you'll attach to iMessage and making sure the email account is reachable. Sign in to settings on your iPhone under your name, then verify the email is listed. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled because iMessage uses device trust. If your email isn't present, add it under name, phone numbers, email. This sets the identity iMessage will use, so double-check spelling and ownership before moving on. Now you enable that email inside iMessage so people can reach you there. Go to Settings, Messages, then Send and Receive. You'll see your phone number and Apple ID. Tap Add another email or simply check the box next to the listed email address. You'll receive a verification code or link at that address. Enter the code when prompted. Once verified, choose whether new conversations start from your phone number or the email. This controls what others see as your sender ID. Finish by syncing iMessage across all your devices so the email works everywhere. On your Mac or iPad, open Messages, sign in with the same Apple ID, and enable the email under Preferences iMessage. Make sure the default send from address is set to the email if you prefer that identity. If messages don't appear, sign out and back in, confirm system date and time are correct, and restart devices. These quick fixes resolve most verification or delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.